Hey YouTube, Team Rebirth here with Kevin opening his display of Maximum Gold that he just scarfed up from Walmart a few minutes ago.
Display plus one.
What are you hoping to pull out of this, Kevin?
Accesscode Talker.
Got it. See what's in box number 1. Oh snap, you got the Altar Charmer out of the first pack. That's not bad. Rose. Lambda.
It's not even in a shot, is it?
No. Right here's your middle.
Okay.
Seed pack number 2. Got that Zulkin reprint. Darkness Metal, not the Altart though.
And Rescue Cat.
Ooh.
Is it the Altart?
No.
Oh.
Sadly. Hey, you got a Meliaseek. You can stop borrowing yours now.
No, I have my own Meliaseeks.
No, you're borrowing mine.
Am I?
Yeah, I was looking through my binder a bit ago.
Oh, shit. I thought they were all mine. Oh, well. I don't remember borrowing that.
Pack number 3. Ooh, Omega. That's nice.
Is this done?
Yeah. It's more the Numeron stuff. Not bad. Last pack of the first box. See if you can pull something spicy out of it.
No, pack didn't tear right.
We're gonna need to get this man some scissors for this.
I can't not open it.
When was the last time you opened packs?
Ooh, Nessie. That's not bad. And a Gamma. And the Prankins Water Fusion.
One down.
1 down, 5 to go. Alright, let's see what kind of goo you can get out of this one.
Oh, I got a Code Talker.
Oh snap, you got the IP. Not the Altart though. Kagamucha's not bad either. Needed a reprint. Rainbow Neos, and I think you got like half the Prankins deck now.
Pachycephalio.
think it's his first reprint in a while. Oh, Lost World. More Prank Kids. Summon Limit.
Gold rare.
Not a bad pack either. You could have just said you wanted to play Prank Kids, Kevin.
I mean, I might just build a deck. Pick up what else I don't have.
Let's see. Rocket Tracer. Fusion Eldritch. Break Sword. The Alt-Art Lina. Not bad.
Last pack of second box.
Alright, this one's got the goo in it. Can pull the Alt-Art IP and access code out of this one. Ooh, Gold Sark looks nice. Unicorn.
Is that the alt art or is the original?
No, it's the regular one.
Mm.
Alright, 4 more boxes.
Whew.
Ooh, Archfiend Abyss is pretty good. Another Alt-Art Charmer. Pot of Extravagance. And Eldritch cards. Ew, is it just a rare, the Elixir?
Yeah.
Ew.
I like the gold rare rather than the old silver.
Yeah. To me, it looks like they just kind of gave up on an ultra rare.
Yeah, that's true.
All Mirage. Another Meliaseek. Fossil Dig, Torrential,
Raid Raptor.
Cognition, and Towers. Raid Raptor Towers. Another place. So what's that, 2 places for you now?
I believe so.
Y'all better watch out. Kevin's going to be coming at you with Prank Kids next week.
We'll see. You gotta learn the combos.
Ugh. It requires learning.
You played Ritual Beast. You can play Prank Kids.
I need to invest in reinvest my stock in Tylenol.
Alright, Pranks, Alt-Art, Charmer, Fossil Dig, another Rose, and an Upstart. Not terrible. Pulling all these Alt-Art Charmers, too.
It's been a while since I was in Indigo's. Good to get some staples, at least. No.
Ooh, Eva with the much needed reprint. Scrap Wyvern, Dyson Sphere, Bigfoot,
Tanky.
Tinky, and Boots.
Yeah, because it's at 1 now.
Boots is pretty solid too.
What is Eva?
Drytron plays it to search their fairies.
Okay.
All right, 3 to go. You're running out of chances, Kevin, to pull this access code.
He ain't getting it. He ain't getting it.
Kenny scarfed it from you out of his box.
Yeah. This is why I can't go casinos.
All right, let's see some juice here. All right, Majesty's Fiend, Fire Charmer, Broken Line, access code. Oh,
Regeki. And the rest are...
well, now you just don't need the rest of them, right? You pulled the access code. That's what you wanted.
Yeah.
Let's get this man a sleeve. Anyone got a sleeve laying over there?
There should be one right beside him.
Talking about use one of these green
I
ones?
don't care. I mean, there was some on the
I have so
bookshelf,
many
a pile of them. Beside you, Kevin. Not behind you. Beside you.
No. Use one of those random ones then.
There you go. Now you're ready to play some real Yu-Gi-Ohs. You got your access code.
I just gotta learn how to play the game.
Just sit it off here while you open the rest of them.
So,
Now the rest is just free money for you.
how much is actually access right now?
I think they were like 50.
That's 2 boxes.
Now you just need to pull another one.
Is it still on camera?
Yep. Mystic Mine, Ew, Kagamucha, and Overraptor.
Second Kagamucha.
More Prank Kids cards.
A few Dino cards, a few Pranks Kids cards. Who knows? I might be able to build several decks. Got a Fossil Dig earlier.
I think you pulled a couple of them so far. Multi-Faker, you can upgrade your rarity.
Yeah, I could.
Set.
Tempest. Oh.
Numeron Storm. Ew, Gold Tempest? That's interesting.
I mean, it's still... They're never coming off the list.
Is that an alternate art firewall too?
Fireball Dragon. I don't know what the original looks like, so I couldn't tell you.
Yeah, it's definitely an alternate art.
Is it the red or purple?
The red one.
Two different variants of firewall there.
That's kind of weird they didn't make that one gold though. They just made it the gold letter roll.
I think it looks like that way.
Just got here.
I got 2 of the same card in a row.
No, one's 3, I believe, or 2 and 3.
Oh,
All the Numeron gates.
okay. Oh, I just realized they're inverted of each other.
Sequoias, another Gamma.
What the heck is this one? Can't read it.
Some more Numeron stuff.
C1000? Seems excessive.
Pretty much pulled the whole Numeron engine out of one pack.
Jiminy Christmas.
All right, 2 more to go. See if you can rip another access code or that alternate art FE.
So, refresher, what is the money cards head of this set besides access?
Verte. I'm sure the alternate art IP will be worth something.
hope I just didn't damage that. You have to pull out nice every time.
All right, 8 packs to go. Pulling the goo. 8 more access codes right here.
You never know. I could get really lucky.
Another Omega.
Second Red Eyes.
Another Sanguine.
Another Tenki. Some sort of Talker.
And Signet Mining. It needed a reprint really bad too.
What does Silent Mining do?
Searches the cybers by pitching a card.
They should bring Tenki back higher.
Birds would like it.
Tenki to 3.
You did that once.
We had that for a little bit.
I mean, Rhoda's at 3.
Rhoda's not at 3.
It's not at 3? Oh. Oh, my apologies. Well, for some reason, I thought it was at 3.
Microcoder. Another Break Sword. Trap Trick. I think that's like your 3rd place. Gold Rare Ray. And Super Dora.
Super Dora. Was that the upgraded version of Gustav?
Detach and you can make another card unaffected by card effects, I believe.
Oh. Code Talker. So, can you explain to me what the Code Talkers are?
It's just another like Cybers Link deck.
Keep trying to reach for that last box.
Wyver Burster. Another Prank Kids Link.
Urgent Shuttle
Urgent Schedule.
Schedule.
Oh, dibs. Dibs on that Dragon Maid.
Another Ageki.
Raigeki. The Wind Charmer. And Numeron Network.
So you want dibs on this?
Yeah. It's probably worth something.
Yeah, let's place it on top. A 4th token. Is it 4th? 3rd. I don't know what's up there.
Zolkin. More Weather Painter stuff. Gold Starlight Road.
Second Trap Chicks.
Another Overraptor. Roxy's.
Print Kids. Oh, Starlight took the top.
All right, you're down to your
Last 4
box.
packs.
All right, you got your access code. What's the next card that you want to pull?
Honestly, it's the only thing I know that was in this. You guys said Verte Anaconda's in here. I mean, that'll be nice if I ever get fusion cards. I can just instantly fuse into it. Now I'll be you are recording this, right, Jay?
Yeah.
Forgot to push the start button.
Nope, you're all good. Got to watch you rip open your access code. All right. Now you want that Altar IP.
Altar IP.
Or Verte.
Or Verte. Altar to IP or Verte Anaconda. Fodder. Gustav Max. Tolkien.
Another Altar Charmer.
A 3rd Gamma.
Baguska. All right, 3 to go.
Sounds like a grandmother.
Grandma Baguska.
Babuska. Is that what? Never mind.
Another pranks.
Red Eyes.
Lampsies. Another X-Strap. That's 2.
I could go for one more.
Numeron and
Another Summon Limit.
So you're playing Numeron and you're playing Prank Kids.
Numeron Prank Kids and a couple things to pick up Dinos. A lot to pick up Dinos. There's a lot there. Go still.
All right, 2 more to go. Ooh. Cloak, that's not bad.
Trish. Haven't seen Trish in forever.
More Prank Kids fusions. Another Ray. And Hot
Arch.
Red. Not terrible. Giving lots of love to Trish lately in the structure deck and then in this.
Who's in a structure deck? Oh,
Iceberg.
last pack.
Last pack. Look, you built a whole trade binder today.
I could.
All right, first card. Another Altar Firewall. Different version though.
2 or 3.
There's the original, I think, 2 variants.
Prank Kids, Golden Land, another Elixir, another Baguska. Wasn't terrible. You got another Altar Firewall. You got both of the alternate arts out of that. And you got your access code, which was the main thing you wanted.
Mm.
And you pulled me a Dragon Maid.
Yeah.
Overall thoughts on the set, Kevin?
This box, I'm really happy with it and see it as a good investment. I finally have some stuff that people actually want to trade for. And I might be able to start building different decks now.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe to the channel. And comment on what your favorite card out of this set is.